As library information specialist, I am also the specialist for this fabulous fine arts and foreign language team. Hey team! Welcome to the Fine Arts and Foreign Language Fiesta! This is a team of creative and dynamic teachers and professional artists representing band, orchestra, theater arts, guitar, keyboarding, choir, visual arts, and foreign language, including our Spanish. May the fiesta begin.
Hello, my name is Carl Dickey and I'm the band director here at Holub Middle School. Here at Holub Middle School we offer symphonic band, concert band, percussion ensemble, beginning band, and we will bring back our very own jazz band that we had from a long time ago. My office hours are from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Nelson. I'm the fine arts teacher here at Holub Middle School. I teach high school art 1 and middle school art 1. We do sculpture, painting, and clay. So please come and join the fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Rita Minter. I am the choir director. I teach piano, keyboard, and vocal ensemble. I hope you come and have a good time and learning how to be a performer, because that's what I do. I teach you how to perform.
Hi, I'm Mr. Clark. I teach theater arts here at Holub Middle School. I teach an introductory 7th grade class and also an 8th grade high school credit theater arts class. I also direct the Holub Players, which is our drama and speech club here at Holub. I look forward to working with your kids this year, teaching them drama skills and also inspiring them to be creative fine arts.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Evelyn Mendez. I am the Spanish teacher here at Holub Middle School. I teach high school credit Spanish 1 and native speakers. Bienvenidos a mi clase. And on behalf of the Fine Arts and Foreign Language team, damos gracias por acompañarnos en esta tarde. Gracias.